Hello everybody, welcome to the unboxing of black powder for Moonstone. In this video I will unbox, go through the content and show the models once built. Let's go into the content. In this box we will find 3 miniatures with the stat cards and the bases. The models included Powder Monkey, Peggy and Swash. Let's see them. They are packed in between foam. We have here the bases, 3 30mm, card for Powder Monkey, Swash and Peggy. Let's see the models. Here we have the Powder Monkey. It's always really nice resin sculpt. Resin cast. Here is Swash. And then, last but not least, Peggy. Really nice detail in the cover, chest. I will build them and come back. The models are built or put on the bases. The first one is Powder Monkey. Monkey with a bomb. It's a really fun model. Second is Peggy, human pirate. Nicely detailed the cover, the hair and the poster. I like this model. And the third one is Swash. Tiny buckle. With a very dynamic pose, with a cape. About to swing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Also thanks to Gawain for his continued support and letting me do the unboxing with his models. If you want to help this project, please comment and subscribe. If you want to go further, in the video description you will find an affiliate link to Firestone Games, where you can find this box and many others at discounted price. If you won't pay more and using this link, the pit will receive some revenue. Good luck and have fun!